What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to the Jim of All Trades channel. Glad you made it by. My name's Jim. I am a crypto trader and a Forex trader, here to help you understand the market from an Elliott Wave perspective. Oh man, did our Discord have a great day yesterday. It was glorious, and we're looking to have a great night tonight. Guys, we're doing Sunday night charts tonight. Don't forget, 8 o'clock Central Time, 9 o'clock Eastern. We're going to watch the dump tonight. There should be another dump coming. I'm going to try to help you, see if we can get you another entry into that market. So let's jump into the wave. Guys, we nailed it yesterday with a call from the Discord. And if you need those calls, need those helps for entering waves and whatnot, you can come on into the Discord if you like. We invite you in. You're more than welcome. Let me see if I can find where the setup was. I gave a 15-minute setup, 15-minute shout out there. This is a second tier. We had hidden bear divergence, three waves, corrective fibs, and basically this was where we took entry into the short that we rode the wave down from there. So that was 23.90. Price was at 23.90 at that call. So there it is, and basically price came down from Ethereum. That was the Ethereum call. From Ethereum, it came all the way down to $2,000 or just below it. So it was awesome, awesome, awesome. Here was the call right here at the top of this wave. I mean, it couldn't have been. So guys, if you need some help navigating, we can teach you how to spot those types of setups and get in on those types of ways to catch that short. So anyway, with that being said, we are short, and we're continuing to be short down to target. We're looking for more downside. We didn't get the diagonal that I was thinking possible, but we're getting a larger three-wave correction that could be a possible fourth wave. Guys, most people say, guys, Jim, you're all bearish. Well, I mean, this is what I was expecting after this thing was finished, right? I was expecting a move down to these targets. We're finally getting the targets back down to the 40s, most likely in Bitcoin. But guys, look at that big green arrow. I've got targets up there towards 80K. So we have possibility that after this thing comes down, we go up to 80K. There is hidden bullish divergence all over this chart, so we got to watch out for that. That's telling us to the upside. But I think we're going to get more downside, and so let's talk about it. Okay. So basically, what we're doing, we're looking at a wave structure like this, where you have basically the A. This is all B and C. And what made this hard, guys? What made this difficult was that we thought this wave right here was our downward move, but they doubled the correction up on us, okay? So in other words, basically they doubled the structure. Three wave there, three wave down, three wave up. That's what we call a WXY, and then they brought it down. And that made it made it elongated, took a lot more time in the market, and made it more difficult. It enticed the bulls. Everybody got super bullish. Everybody's like, hey, we're going to the moon. We just made all-time high. We broke the high. We're going up. And then they just come on down with it. And guys, that's what the market does. Jim, why are you so bearish? Because the market does that kind of crap all the time, especially around all-time highs. So anyway, I'm not a bear all the time. I'm just a bear when the market says we're a bear. And we're prepping. We're just seeing this wave coming on up to this target, and sure enough, it's 65K, which was the target we were watching, and on down we came. All right. So now we've got basically a three-wave move that we're looking for, and to finish up. I don't think it's finished. If you look at this move right here, we're looking for a one-to-one extension. So what we do to find the target is we simply pull a one-to-one extension off of that wave. So we're at the top of this wave to the bottom of that wave, back to the top of this wave, and we're looking for the one-to-one. We have not hit the one-to-one yet. 49.7 is the one-to-one. Then we look for deeper targets if they're going to go deeper. Looking for the 45, 43K. 45.4 and 43. So we're looking for this target box zone. Shoot, we could get all the way down to 40K if they wanted to, and they could take it even deeper than that. Guys, there's a possibility. I'm not saying it is. I'm not here to call a top or anything like that, but there's a possibility that this is actually a market top. We're actually going to start working our way back down to 20K. It won't go straight there, but we might be working our way back down there. I'm not saying we're doing that definitely. You can see my first priority here. My first target is that we're going to go up for another wave, but it's possible that we come down from here. So watch out, be careful, be vigilant. Don't don't assume that we're going up, but I think we're going up. I think I see a good buy zone. We'll talk about that. All right. So basically the buy zone here is going to be between 49.7 and 43 Okay, if we get a wave down to there. So we're going to watch that and watch for reversals. And we'll be trading that in our group and offering those trade setups, as well as in the third tier. I trade it live with those guys. I trade it live whenever those things tend to happen. So invite you guys into the Discord again. All right, let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum's pretty interesting structure there. Here's the basic structure for Ethereum. Three-wave move. We're looking for the one-to-one extension right here, at least at about 1800. Could come down to 1600 or even 1500. So watching all three of those targets. I got a bottom target down here at this structure zone at 1345. Okay, but the likely targets are right here in the middle between the 1-to-1 and the 1414 range. Okay, so we'll watch targets for there. Now, what's interesting is we're looking for a wave similar to this wave. So we want to see if this wave is going to look very similar. What I've done for you is I've actually pulled the old chart up right here, and I've got it right here on the chart. So this is basically back when this wave right here. Let me see if I can show you right here where we wicked down. Let me get this out of the way. Right here where we wicked down here and then came back up. That's what I'm going to show you on the chart. So this is where we wicked down here. Now this is where we're coming back up in three waves. What we've done, we came up in 5 with a strong buyback, had a 3-wave pullback, and then another buyback. That's a 3-wave move, and then it rolled over and came down. Okay, now let me show you the current wave structure that we're getting. Okay, there's current wave structure. What do we got going on? Well, we got a strong wave to the upside. We had a 3-wave pullback, and now we're getting one more wave to the upside. Watching this target area, watching this trend line right here, which is the break where we broke out of structure. So basically, what we're doing is retesting that structure. We are currently long in our shadow group, in our shadow trading group. We traded this wave from this wave up here. Some of us got in this range right here and are trading it up to the upside. We're going to take our profit for the long and go short here. Why didn't I take that trade? Because I was sleeping, guys. I was sleeping at 7 a.m. this morning. I did not take it this morning. All right, so anyway, we're looking to go short again from this region here. That's what we're looking for. We want to see this thing come up, break the top of this wave, just barely, maybe come up and retest this trend line zone. We're watching for that, and then we'd like to see this thing come on up from here. Does it have to come up here? No, it could be a truncated wave. It could finish and just come down. But guys, I am looking for more downside. Looking on the 5-minute chart, you'll notice that we have hidden bearish divergence right now working on the chart, where this wave has surpassed this wave that goes up, whereas the same peak is going down like that. So that's hidden bearish divergence. Okay, we got this wave looking to come up here, maybe get up here, pull back one more, and then on down we go, and that would give us our divergence we're looking for. To the downside. So anyway, this is still looking good. Even if price gets up here, there'll still be hidden bearish divergence. Even if price gets up here, there's still hidden bearish divergence with the previous wave that's way up there. So anyway, sorry that was kind of confusing. Let me show you a little bit better here. Yeah. So even if price comes out, wipes out this current hidden bear divergence that I just shared with you, and gets to this location, see that peak right there? And then this peak right here, that would still bring us up to, this would come up here. That would still bring us that hidden bearish divergence we'd like to see, and that'll give us a continuation trend to the downside. We'd be looking for more dumping, guys, more dumping. So we are looking for more downside, guys. It's coming imminently. It's coming probably tonight or tomorrow morning, one of the two. We slept last night after we stayed up very late, but looking for this thing to continue up and then give us our entry to the downside. So we're watching anywhere for a break of structure and signs for us to enter short. We do have a little couple signs right here that there's divergence on this chart right here, but I'm not convinced because we're not oversold, but it's still possible. There's divergence in the 5-minute. We might get a little bit of a wave down before we go up here. Maybe. We'll see what happens. So guys, at the end of the day, hey, son. At the end of the day, there's my son. Welcome, son. Anyway, at the end of the day, What we're looking for here to finish this wave out is one more push to the high, maybe break this last high, and then down we go. Not guaranteed anything in this market. That's just a trading idea that we're operating on. And currently we're in good profit here in this wave to the upside. And it's a nice little scalp trade for me. I'm pretty happy with it. But anyway, we're looking for this thing to come on up, and then down we go. So anyway, all right, I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Thanks for stopping by, and don't forget to love and like and subscribe and do all that love, share, do all that stuff, share the love, and have a great day. We'll talk to you later.